A lap too far? But seriously, guys, give Dalton a break.
Want you waste your life away each and every day. Them want you turn them no want you bills to pay. Them are your enemy.
Dalton Harris creating waves in London, but now setting social media alight in Jamaica. The Jamaican in the lap of another male contestant, a source of discomfort on Instagram. Others are rushing to Dalton's defense. The X Factor semi-finalist quick to post his own response.
If you is so uncomfortable with your sexuality that you feel like two dudes hugging is gay, then so be it. Like, I'm good. Me's a single man, not sleeping with a man. So, peace and love anyways. Not an explanation. You know, just saying, mind your business. Take a look at the loving, beating up the wrong guy.
Dalton also posting on Instagram, good thing I know exactly who I am, and I am far from broken, ending by saying, I'm not fazed. So, what to make of the lap furore?
What I see is harmless play, but then I might be just innocent and don't know what to read into things. But so what even if he were gay? Should that disqualify him? He's a phenomenal talent, and Jamaica is the beneficiary of that kind of gift. Look, we need to get real. We recognized 8 years ago that this was a phenomenal talent in Jamaica, and now we're proving that this is a world-beating talent, and it doesn't matter whether he's lean, straight, or whatever, as long as he's not crooked, and he's certainly very talented.
But I'm a
Dalton due to perform on X Factor this Saturday. Watch it on TVJ at 3 p.m.
You made me